Hi, thank you for joining us here at Alpin Haus Boats. My name's Lindsay, and today we're going to be looking at the 2023 Sunchaser Geneva 22 Swingback. Here at Alpin Haus, we're very excited to have Sunchaser as a new brand for us here, and we're also excited about the Swingback model. This lounge is very popular, and you can sit here as a backrest, or it will move this way, and very comfortable. Adding to the luxury appointments on the boat are stainless steel cup holders, as well as a stainless steel ladder and a stainless steel ski bar. Sunchaser offers an option to anodize the railing systems black to really help the interior and exterior just pop in that color combination. This Geneva is equipped with the Sea Weave gray vinyl interior. So nestled out of the way right here in the motor pod is the built-in 30-gallon fuel tank. The Sunchaser Geneva offers 3 different configurations: a 2 pontoon, a full tri-toon, or this configuration where we have a half pontoon in the center with dual lifting strakes on both sides, as well as upgraded 25-inch diameter pontoons that have deep interior lifting strakes. Sunchaser is bringing some beautiful appointments to this class with an electric power bimini top, push button with controls down here, and a nice fiberglass helm. The fiberglass is great for the helm because it's easy to clean and it's very durable. This model is equipped with a 4-speaker Bluetooth Jensen audio system, as well as a depth finder and clear, easy to read gauges. There's a spot right here for your cell phone, as well as 2 USB ports right here on the helm. And speaking of storage, there is plenty on this boat. Right here we have a nice, easy access, deep compartment that is perfect for your table, life jackets, holes for the cover, or anything else that you need a nice, deep, long storage compartment for. Rounding out the well thought out interior, there are cup holders that are placed out of the way, yet easily within reach. There are low point drains in there. Everything is very well thought out. Thank you for joining us today, our first look at Sunchaser's 2023 Geneva 22 Swingback. We're really excited to see some more from Sunchaser.